Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, how are you today? I hope you are in good condition. I'm Siti Rahmatul Hidayah. Today, I would like to present my article, and the title of my article is The Use of Storytelling Method to Improve Students' Speaking Skill for 8th Grade. And the contents of my article, there are abstract, introduction, method, results and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Storytelling is an activity related to telling stories to everyone. In narration, the narrator interacts with the listener in two ways and then tells the story. English is one of the most important subjects learned by students. If we are fluent or able to speak English well, we can easily find a job. Applying storytelling method can help improve students' oral skill in school. The purpose of this research is to decide whether the use of storytelling methods can improve students' oral English is effective. Descriptive qualitative is the method that used in this research. The collecting data, this study uses library research, and research collects data from books, research journal, seminar proceedings, magazines, and other text files. The study used a qualitative method to analyze the data. The study showed that through the use of storytelling method, students' oral skill have improved. The next is introduction. The first is background. Speaking skill is one of the language skills that must be mastered in learning English. Students are not too interested in speaking English. Participants have assumed that English is difficult. Learning English is bored. Lack of mastery of grammar, lack of practice, and other constituents. In overcoming students' difficulties in mastering speaking skill in the classroom, there are many techniques, media, and strategies that teachers can be used. By actively speaking, students can improve their speaking skills by conveying ideas through stories. There are many methods that can be used to improve students' speaking skill. And one of the methods, this research use storytelling method. The second is literature review. Literature review. Storytelling is a language teaching method that represents the value of particle text as social tool, motivation, and language teaching in a learning environment. Shafriyaddin, Haryani, Salniwati, and Azam 2019. Speaking is the ability or effort on active production and use of verbal production. This is a person's ability to communicate verbally with other people. Someone who has speaking skills can be identified based on his or their ability to speak fluently and clearly. Not only just speech, but also a sense of communication. Therefore, language activities in speaking classes must emphasize the use of language individually. They requires teacher not only to build a warm and humanistic classroom atmosphere, but also to provide students with a place to speak. Ismail, 2014. Previous study, Fikriyah, 2016, aimed to determine whether the use of storytelling techniques or STT can improve the English language skill of elementary school students. Her results explained that the classroom activities were successful and the storytelling technique actively improved the oral English skills of the students. Putri, 2019, aimed to understand the impact of the use of digital stories on the oral skills of high school students of various types of text and analyze the intents of their ability or capability. The results of her study showed that high school students' digital storytelling methods have a practical impact on speaking skills of various types of text. This research is conducted by using descriptive qualitative research. Library research is the method used in collecting data in this study. Library research is research activities are carried out with how to collect information and the data with the help of various materials. And what is in the library research? That's like a book, research journals, ongoing seminars, journals, and other written materials. The study used qualitative methods to analyze the data. Okay, results and discussion. The first is teaching method. Teaching method is the way teachers apply in teaching to reach the learning and teaching objectives. Teaching method hopefully can improve students' achievement. In this study, the research focused on storytelling and discussion. Both of them can improve students' speaking skill. The teaching method is generally utilized by numerous instructors to prepare and put into effect some of students' instructional center and support to obtain the dreams which have been well. Second is storytelling method. The storytelling method is one of the able to apply educating the children's characters. It's a learning activity by telling a story that provides learning experiences for a student from the value behavior played by the characters in a story and has a charm that touches the children. Through the storytelling method, the teacher can set an example of a character in a story. Next is speaking skill. Speaking skill is the essential production skill for learning English because speaking is about sharing information verbally. Through speech, students will be supported to express their thoughts. Of course, in order to speak, students must first learn the language, be it formal or informal. Through the application of English storytelling learning methods used in various institutions, especially schools, it can help students improve their spoken English competence. Storytelling learning methods can also increase vocabulary knowledge and improve pronunciation, including proper and correct pronunciation, emphasis, and intonation. The last is conclusion. Storytelling learning method is one of type of cooperative learning that is able to make students more active in improving English speaking skills, and students can be helped to add new vocabulary that may have been rarely heard before in stories. The target of this research is to describe the application of learning by using the storytelling learning method in improving students' speaking skill. The study used library research quoting from journals, books. The results of this research indicate the effect of the application of the story learning method can improve English students' speaking skill. I think enough. That's all for me. I do apologize for every single mistake. Thank you so much. I'm Siti Rahmatul Hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.